So we use the Google Ventures methodology of a design sprint, and we condensed it into one-day workshop with 8 different clients, with 8 different advertisers. The goal for the day is to help our partners improve the conversion flow for their users on their websites so that we can see higher conversions coming from mobile devices, happier customers spending more money on their site, and ultimately growing the business of our partners.
I think my favorite part was kind of breaking out of what we do every day and in a space where we can talk one-to-one with other UXers instead of talking one-to-one with designer, business, IT, and kind of running through their roadblocks. It really opened my eyes to what's possible and kind of reinvigorated me to kind of go forth and kind of fly that UX flag or design sprint flag more.
This morning, the team focused on sharing lightning talks around the 4 key principles of conversion flow. The first being speed to the landing page, the second being a call to action prominently on the top of the page, the third being optimizing the forms so that it can be as easy as possible, and lastly, simplification of sign-in and conversion flow.
Today's design sprints give me the time, the isolated time to be able to go through a specific problem, work through it, look at the approach, and deal with the length of the form, address it from a consumer standpoint, and really problem solve. Time that I don't often get in my day.
One of the other great benefits that we found in the design sprint is that clients from different companies and different industries get to meet each other and sort of share best practices as they're prototyping in the afternoon. So maybe one client has tested something one way and they can help another client that's maybe thinking about that go forward and say, oh, well, we tested that and that worked really well for us, or vice versa. And that's been a huge value add for a lot of our clients that have attended the design sprints.
Biggest thing for me was the social proof concept, that we can kind of take what we already know, our analytics we already have, and push those numbers into a flow to show like a whole bunch of people are switching to us. A whole bunch of people are interested in this company too, so you kind of feel lifted up with a crowd instead of just kind of one lonely person with a screen in front of them.
For me, I think one of the greatest benefits of having these design sprints is it allows our internal sales teams to build new connections with people on the client side that they don't work with day to day, whether it's UX designers or developers. Overall, what it does is it helps strengthen the relationships that Google has with our partners.